How to remove robot CAPTCHA in Omegle. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove robot CAPTCHA in Omegle. First of all, open up the web browser. Once you open up the browser, tap on Settings from here. Now scroll down in Settings and tap on Site Settings. Then scroll down in Site Settings and tap on the third-party sign-in option. After that, tap on Block Third-Party Cookies in Incognito Mode options. Then click on Add Site Exception and enter the site URL in here and tap to add it. Now open up the web browser and search here omegle.com. Once you get into its site, tap to start the chat. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.